and investors. This is a technical analysis video for NeurAI, ticker XNA. This video will be three parts. The first part, I will go over XNA's price action. In the second part, I will talk about prediction or predictive models. And in the third part, I will give you my 2 cents on how to maximize your profits. As a recap, in the previous video, I said that XNA was forming a V-shaped bottom, which is bullish, and the tentative target, not a measurement, was the 0.005, meaning that if XNA could replicate its advance from the bottom to the 0.13 level again, then my bullish bias for XNA will become stronger and stronger. Right after this video, when I made this video, we were at around the 9 level. I'm discounting the zeros. We saw a very strong displacement, and we went above the all-time high, which is great. Now, XNA looks a little bit stretched, a little bit overbought. But you should remember that we are not talking about an established asset, and these assets could go on and on even when they are in the oversold territory. And the best thing you can do now is to hold on and don't try to trade it too much. As for predictions, as technical analysts, we do not predict price. We are not astrologers. We don't read tea leaves. It is a simple principle that every asset, as it accrues price action, patterns arise, patterns form, and it is our job to decipher these patterns and based on these patterns to evaluate or to assess where price could go to next. Currently, we are only at the beginning of the beginning and we don't have any patterns yet, and making predictions is only any prediction that I will make will only be based on hope, and hope is not an investment strategy and it's not a trading strategy. What I suggest is that everyone stay patient and hold on to your positions. I think it's way too early to do anything about it. And this connects me to my third part, is how to maximize profits. You should know that every great trader that ever lived, and I'm talking from W.D. Gann to our current day traders like Tom Hugard, they always advocate for one thing. If you have a winning position, you don't take profits, you add to your winning position. I know it's against human nature, but if we are talking about a trading strategy, the best strategy is to add to a winning position and don't get tempted to take profits. If you are taking profits now, it's just out of fear. Don't be afraid, in my opinion at least. Don't be afraid. And if you have a winner, you add to your winner. We are just at the beginning. It is my opinion. You could do whatever you like. That now is the time to add to your position. You don't have necessarily have to wait for pullbacks, not in this asset and not at the current time. If you are waiting for pullbacks, you may be too smart for your own goods, because we don't know when the pullback will come, and it could be that the pullback will come only when XNA makes it to 0.005, and the pullback will be, let's say, 50% to 0.0026. It's still way higher than current prices. Okay, so my 2 cents is don't get too smart. Okay, don't be too smart for your own good. This is not the time to look for demand zones and support zones, etc., etc. Of course, it can pull back, but if it will pull back, you just add to your position, because guys, we potentially have a serious winner here, okay? That's all I have for you on XNA. I hope it helps, and I will see you in the next video.